On MT9 LT4 problem 5, we have this inscribed hexagon. We're going to prove that the sum of the measures of the alternate interior angles in an inscribed angle is 360 degrees. First question, how are angle A and angle BCF related? Well, if I look at angle A, let me make this a little bit thinner here. Angle A is an inscribed angle. Angle A is going to be half of arc BCF. Okay? I think I'll write that down here for us. So we know the measure of angle A equals 1/2 of arc BCF. Let's do the same thing for angle BCF then. So if I look at angle BCF, that is going to be half of arc BF. So if I say the measure of angle BCF is going to be 1/2 of arc BF. Well, notice if we add those two arcs together, it's the whole circle. So in other words, and I leave a lot of room here, I'm going to go write it down below B here. So we know the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle BCF is going to be half of the whole circle, which is 360 degrees. Well, what's half of 360? Well, that's 180. What do you call two angles that add to 180? I'd say they're supplementary. So we're going to say the measure of angle A and angle BCF. Let's get rid of the M. Angle A. Come on. Angle A and angle BCF are supplementary. Now, let's take a look at angle E and angle DCF. I'm going to go back. I'm going to kind of do the same thing. Let's erase this. I think I'll make it a little bit thicker than we had it before. It was kind of hard to see there. So I look at angle E. Angle E goes through arc FAD. That's angle E. Whoa, I went too slow. Let's try that again. Okay, so angle E is half of arc FAD. Let's look at angle DCF. So angle D to C to F. Well, that's half of arc FD. Same thing, isn't it? So we're going to say angle E and angle DCF, they're supplementary. That's part A. Now let's look at part B. We're going to add up angle A, angle BCD, and angle E. Well, if I look at the picture, angle BCD, let's erase that. Angle BCD is composed of angle BCF and angle FCD. Or DCF, the two angles that we just said. So that's what I think I'm going to write. I'm going to switch colors here too. So instead of saying angle BCD, I'm going to say angle A. Instead of BCD, we're going to say angle BCF plus DCF, that's use your angle addition postulate, plus the measure of angle E. One of the reasons I like this chapter is it puts everything together that you've done. It's kind of like a mini final review. Now, from part A, we know angle A plus angle BCF, we know they add to 180. We know from also the second part of part A, angle DCF and angle E, they add to 180. 180 plus 180, well, there we go. We just did our proof, equals 360. There's your proof without two columns. It's kind of a show your work type of proof.